The Volvo S80 II, produced from 2006 to 2016, is a used luxury sedan renowned for its safety features and comfortable ride. As these vehicles age, expect repairs primarily stemming from complex electronics, premium components, turbocharged engines, and automatic transmissions. Current market prices range from $8,000 to $15,000, depending on the vehicle's condition and mileage. Owners report high satisfaction for low mileage examples, but repair costs tend to rise significantly as components wear out over time. The Volvo S80 II's 3.0-liter T6 and 3.2-liter engines face common timing belt issues. These belts need replacement every 70,000 to 100,000 miles to prevent catastrophic engine damage. If the timing belt snaps, it can bend valves and cause extensive internal damage, leading to expensive rebuilds. Turbochargers in these engines can also fail from carbon buildup or oil leaks, affecting performance. Understanding turbocharger operation helps in maintenance. Regular inspections prevent failures. The Volvo S80 II uses the ASIN AW555051 6-speed automatic transmission, which is prone to several common issues. Solenoid failures can cause shifting problems, while torque converter issues lead to slipping or shuddering. These problems can escalate to complete transmission breakdowns. Rebuilding the transmission often costs $3,000 or more. Regular transmission fluid changes can help prevent these issues, but be prepared for potential major repairs. Electrical and electronic faults are common in the Volvo S80 II, particularly with faulty modules in the infotainment system causing intermittent failures. Climate control modules can also fail, affecting the car's temperature and airflow systems. Power accessories and the Sensus system in later models may experience glitches that disrupt various functions. It's important to diagnose these issues early to prevent them from causing more serious problems. DIY fixes can help save on repair costs. Suspension and steering wear is common in the Volvo S80 II due to the vehicle's substantial weight and sporty design. Components like control arms, bushings, and power steering pumps deteriorate over time, impacting handling and safety. Control arms are critical suspension components that connect the wheels to the vehicle's frame. In the S80, their wear is accelerated by the car's weight, leading to poor alignment and uneven tire wear. Bushings are rubber components that cushion suspension parts. They develop tears, cracks, and eventually separate, causing noise, vibration, and alignment issues. Signs of bad bushings include unusual noises, poor ride quality, and steering pull. Regular inspection prevents costly replacements. Power steering pumps provide assisted turning, but seals and hoses degrade, leading to fluid leaks and increased steering effort. This is exacerbated by the S80's heavier weight. The suspension system works together, and worn parts can damage adjacent components. This close-up shows typical wear on tires, shocks, and brakes. Neglecting suspension and steering issues compromises vehicle safety and handling. Untreated problems cause cascading damage to other parts, significantly increasing repair costs. For instance, replacing control arms can cost about $800, often combined with other suspension work. Common interior and exterior issues with the Volvo S80 II include sunroof leaks, which occur from worn weather stripping or clogged drains, potentially damaging interiors and electronics. Seat motor failures affect power adjustments and may require module replacements, while seat back mechanisms can also fail. Exterior problems involve rust on lower body panels, particularly in areas with road salt, affecting quarter panels and wheel wells. Brake rotors and pads wear quickly due to the car's weight and performance, requiring regular inspection to maintain safety. Regular cleaning and rust prevention treatments can help maintain the vehicle's appearance and prevent costly repairs. Owners should be prepared for both cosmetic fixes and functional repairs as these components age. The Volvo S80 II has higher repair costs compared to similar sedans, with average annual expenses around $1,200. Labor rates typically range from $100 to $150 per hour, contributing to these elevated costs. Major repairs, such as transmission rebuilds, can exceed $4,500, making them particularly expensive. Preventive maintenance is essential for controlling these expenses and avoiding larger bills. Regular maintenance can significantly reduce repair costs over time. As electric vehicles dominate the market, expect declining resale values for combustion engine models like the Volvo S80 II. The International Energy Agency projections show significant EV market share growth through 2035. Part scarcity is expected to drive up repair costs by 20% by 2030 as Volvo shifts focus to electric vehicles. This will make maintenance even more expensive for older S80 models. Hybrid conversions are emerging as a way to extend the S80's life, with kits costing $10,000 to $15,000. This allows the vehicle to continue operating efficiently while reducing environmental impact. Well-maintained S80s could develop collector value in the future, but most vehicles will likely be phased out as repair costs exceed their worth. Always evaluate repair costs against the vehicle's current market value. Many owners face the Volvo abandonment scenario, where fixes exceed the car's worth, making it more economical to sell for parts.